Fast food. When I say that, you're probably thinking something along the lines of McDonald's or Burger King or... What the hell? Who thinks of that when I say fast food?
You are all weirdos.
No, anyways, when I say fast food, you're probably thinking of a place to get burgers. After all, aren't burgers like the original fast food? Yeah, there's others, but it's really burgers. But when you think of it, burgers aren't the first fast food.
I just need to see something
Fuck
different.
the burger!
No,
Get out of here,
no,
Bergie!
no, okay.
Sushi is. What? Just think about it. Sushi. It's just a few ingredients. Rice. 3 minutes, boil it, cook it, you're good. Fish, don't even have to cook it. Put it into the rice, roll it up, and put seaweed around it just to keep it together. That's what, gonna take you like a minute and a half to do? So, fast food. But, that is Japan. This is America. You can't really expect people to go on to something like sushi. I mean, after all, who would want to eat any raw, uncooked pickles? Ugh, disgusting. I mean, most people say it's the fish, but honestly, you've had tuna salads before, or tuna sandwiches, and hey,
It's fish!
and it's raw. So, honestly, it's really just the veg. So, let's make this more appealing, said my mom when I was 10. And when she invented Frushi. That's fruit and sushi. Frushi. Isn't entomology fun? Anyways, so here's how you make Frushi. First, you start with making Rice Krispies.
What were you just watching?
Wait, you don't know how to make Rice Krispies? It's on the back of every Rice Krispie. I mean, I can understand if you get the store brand, but it's literally on the back of every Rice Krispie box. I mean, ugh. It's there, but wow, this is really bad graphic design.
Delicious and so vicious. Our one wish is to bitch, bitch, bitch.
I don't blame you for not knowing. I'll go back in time and show you how to make the Rice Krispies.
What's he doing?
That's a ripple dissolve. He must be having a flashback.
Does he know we can't see it? Should we give him some privacy? I don't know the protocol for flashbacks.
Come on. It was working a second ago. Alright, there we go. Rice Krispie treats. 3 ingredients, not that hard. Alright, first thing you're gonna need is the lifeblood of America, butter. Lovely, lovely butter. Almost put it in the wrong spot there. All you're gonna need is 3 tablespoons to this. There we go. Butter. You can just throw the rest away. Low heat. Melt it. Come on. There we go. I know this isn't thrilling while I'm recording it. I'm gonna make this somewhat interesting, I hope. You know, when I was a kid, whenever I went to my grandma's house, she would have that spray butter. That's not actually butter. Yeah, but it was like really salty. I don't do this anymore, but I would just take that spray butter and, like breath mint, right into the mouth. Look at that steam. It's better than stem. All right, now that the butter is good and melted, what you want to do is get an entire packet of
gooey, sticky, fluffy, stretchy marshmallow.
Now that you got it nice and open, dump that in there. Yeah. There we go. Good and melted marshmallows. Now this isn't actually part of the recipe officially, but at every time that I make something sweet, I add vanilla. Vanilla dropping. Ooh, just enough. Empty. Take it off the heat. And then what you want to do is with your pre-measured 6 cups of Rice Krispies, just dump that junk in there. Start and mix it until it's good and there we go. It's pretty coated.
She's dead enough.
Once you have it all covered up like that, you're gonna wanna dump it into a pan about that big. But before you dump it in, what you want to do is spray it down. I use coconut spray. I just think it's slightly healthier. Get all that lovely jubbly. Spread it like good and even-ish enough around the pan. Alright, I think that's good. That's the hard part out of the way.
Wrong!
Are we caught up now? Good. Alright, so now that you've made the Rice Krispie treats, all you have to do is what? What do you mean? Yeah, you could have. Yeah, you could have just gone to the store and got the Rice Krispie treats pre-made in the packages, but why would you? That's not fun. Here's my counter offer. You could have also made the Rice Krispies yourself. But, would you? No, because it's...
Think about your life choices for a minute. They haven't worked. It's gonna be dangerous, insanely stupid and lethal.
Good channel. You should check it out. Anyways. Now that you have the Rice Krispies made, let's turn them into Frushi. Even though, yeah, you could stop there and just have the Rice Krispie treats. They're a good treat in themselves, but let's make them better. Let's make them Frushi. Alright, now that you have the Rice Krispies done, all that's left is to make the Frushi. Alright, get some gummy worms and lay them out in a line like that. Come on. I guess I didn't make it flat enough. Line a line. 1, 2. And then roll. Come on. There we go. Roll them up into nice little logs. And then cut out the log. There we go. Logs of Rice Krispie treats and gummy worms. And of course, that doesn't look like sushi. So what you want to do is about every inch. Here we go. Chopping up, you get something like that. All right, until you get stuff like that, you do that with the rest of the logs. You may be asking yourself, seaweed. That looks good and all. But doesn't sushi have seaweed around it? You're right. How do you like them seaweed? So, for that, just take a fruit roll up and just like taping anything, you take it, tape just like this. You wanna wrap it up. There we go. Push it in so it sticks. Smells like lemons. All right, there you have it. Frushi. And all that you need to do is add yourself a bowl of mint ice cream as the wasabi, and you're done. Yeah, I don't know how to use chopsticks. Well, there you have it. A little bit of cultural appropriation that you and your kid can have anytime. Have fun making your frushi. Good night, thank you, and may your God go with you.